back to Tucker Talk, where today I will be having another interview with one of my special guests. Today is Herbert Huber, and before we start interviewing, he would like to show one of his famous videos of a totally awesome baller video. Check it out. I'm sorry you had to see that. Alright, Mr. Hoover. First question is...
Actually, let me stop you right there. I already saw the last interview with your, Abe Lincoln. And, I already know all the questions you're gonna ask me. So, question one, what race was I? I was a Republican, man. Yeah, that's right. And, what years did I run for? I ran from 1929 to, 1933. Yeah. And my nickname? Oh yeah, it was the man of a great heart. Yeah.
Okay, now, what were some of the more interesting things that you've done during or before your presidency?
Well, actually, before my presidency, I was actually an orphan by age 9. That's right. And when I became president, the stock market crashed, and 10 million people blamed me for their lost jobs and homes. But that's okay. I made towns called Hoovervilles, and here they are.
In the arms of the angel, fly away from here, from this dark, cold hotel room, and the endlessness that you fear. You are pulled from the wreckage of your silent reverie. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find.
But that's okay, because after when I found out about that, I said, this is what I told them. I said, 20 million starving people starving. And no matter what their politics, they shall be fed. Yeah. I'm a good guy.
Alright, well,
Yeah, well, thanks for having me.
yeah, you're welcome. And that's all the time that we have for today, so thanks for watching. Bye.
And it's sweet, sweet, sweet.